Before you commit to Sprout Social, there are a few key things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to other social media management tools. Stick around as I break down 7 important points you should consider before deciding if Sprout Social is the right fit for your business. First off, Sprout Social is a robust social media management tool, but it's not the only one out there. Compared to competitors like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Later, Sprout Social stands out for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive analytics. While it does come at a higher price point, it's packed with features that make it a solid choice for those looking for detailed reports and streamlined team collaboration. Keep watching, and I'll dive deeper into these features so you can make an informed decision. Next thing to know, Sprout Social's reporting capabilities are second to none. When you compare it to tools like Buffer, Sprout Social offers more granular data and custom reporting options. If you're running a larger team or have clients to report to, these analytics are a game changer. You can easily track engagement, performance, and even calculate ROI directly within the platform. This feature alone could save you hours of manual work, especially when you compare it to the more basic analytics you get from other tools. The fourth thing you should know is that Sprout Social excels in team collaboration. If you're managing a social media team, the platform makes it easy to assign tasks, approve content, and keep track of workflows. The social inbox, for instance, consolidates all your messages from different platforms into one view, making it easier to respond and collaborate with your team. Compared to competitors like Hootsuite, this feature feels much more seamless and intuitive, and it can help reduce the chaos of managing multiple accounts. Next, let's talk about Sprout Social's content scheduling features. While it doesn't have some of the advanced post-scheduling options like Later, Sprout Social's scheduling interface is still highly efficient. You can easily drag and drop your posts to schedule them, and it has the option to publish directly to most social platforms. However, if you're looking for a more visual approach to scheduling, tools like Later might be more suited for your needs. Another key point to consider is Sprout Social's integrations. It supports a wide variety of third-party integrations, including with popular platforms like Google Analytics, Canva, and even Salesforce. However, if you're heavily relying on specific integrations or need more customization, some competitors may offer more specialized options. So it's important to assess if these integrations cover your business's needs. Now, something that often gets overlooked is Sprout Social's customer support. When compared to other platforms, Sprout Social support is top-notch. Whether you prefer live chat, email, or phone support, they're very responsive. And for those of you who are new to social media management tools, they offer plenty of tutorials and guides to help you get up to speed quickly. Finally, the pricing. Sprout Social's pricing plans are on the higher end, but you get what you pay for. It's definitely more expensive than other options like Buffer or Hootsuite, especially if you need the more advanced analytics and team collaboration features. However, if you're running a business that relies on data-driven insights and efficient team workflows, the price may be worth it. So, if you're ready to give Sprout Social a try and see if it fits your business, I've got you covered. Just click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for Sprout Social and unlock some exclusive benefits. Try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. No commitments required.